Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer the Meta Pixel to a new Shopify store. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer the Meta Pixel to a new Shopify store, first, log into your Facebook Business Manager account. In the top left corner, click on the hamburger menu. Select Events Manager from the drop-down list. Locate the pixel you want to transfer. Click on the pixel name to view its settings. Next, click the Settings tab in the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the Pixel ID section. Copy your Pixel ID for later use. Now, log in to your new Shopify store. From the Shopify admin dashboard, go to Online Store. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Facebook Pixel section. Click on Manage Pixel or Add Facebook Pixel. Paste your copied Pixel ID into the provided field. Once you've pasted the Pixel ID, click Save. To verify that your Pixel is working, return to the Events Manager in Facebook. Use the Test Events feature to ensure data is being received. Visit your Shopify store and perform some actions like viewing products. Refresh the Test Events screen in Facebook to see if those actions are recorded. If data appears, you've successfully transferred your Meta Pixel to your new Shopify store. If there are issues, double-check the Pixel ID and ensure all settings are correctly configured. Now your new Shopify store is ready to track conversions using the Meta Pixel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.